Okay, so here is your assignment number 3. It's very easy. Okay, you have to do from the chapter 5. Compare the backwards. No, it is from chapter 4, recovery chapter. I don't remember the numbers, but it is from the recovery chapter. Compare the backwards and forwards recovery. Okay, this is the first question you have to write, and it is from the slides. And then this is from the last chapter that we did yesterday. Compare the homogeneous distributed databases, heterogeneous distributed databases. So this is one of your assignment, the last assignment. Okay, so do it and upload before the next class. And the other thing is about the lab. You have two labs, okay, two assignments for the lab, but I will, combine them in one. I will make one document and I will upload as a one assignment, okay, but they are two. Like you can see here, lab assignment 1, and then there will be a lab assignment 2, but I will create only one assignment, okay, as a lab assignment, and you will upload all of that in. When you will see, you will get to know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so what is this? Okay, this one is one. Yeah, this is your first question, which is from your concurrent access anomalies. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill this table. It's a code or example for the dirty read. Okay, it is in chapter 2, and you have to fill the table for the transaction 1 and the transaction 2. Okay, balance value is 100. Okay, and then follow the instructions and just fill the table. Clear? It is like your assignment 2. Okay, okay. And you have the next question, which is related to lost update. Again, there is a code. The starting value is given and you have to fill the table for transaction 1 and transaction 2. Okay, I'm not giving you to write the codes because installing the SQL servers or any DBMS is very problematic for you. Okay, and then you will get stuck into that. So I'm just giving you the exercises related to that, and you can solve them, and it will also help you for your final exam. Okay, so this is the second question. It's actually question 1 and it has 2 parts. And then there is a question 2. Okay. You have to use undo redo logging and solve the following, show the complete steps. Now you have this picture. In the recovery chapter, if you remember at the end of the chapter, there is one example. Okay. We have the last checkpoint here and we have the failure here. And then we move this checkpoint, remember? And then we make a list of active transactions first, then we move them into undo list, and then we move to the redo list. Okay, so one by one you will make this picture and you will move on the checkpoint and you will update these lists. Okay, clear? Yes, other girls. Okay, it is very easy. Just go on the slides. It is different than that, but you have to follow the same pattern. Okay, you will move on the checkpoint. Okay, and then you will update the active transactions list, undo list, and redo list. So like this, you will have like maybe 3 or 4 pictures. So you can draw it with the help of the pen. Okay, you can use the column. Okay, so this is your assignment 1. Then you have your assignment 2. In assignment 2, it's related to query processing and optimization. Okay, there are 2 queries are written. Here is 1 and here is 2. Okay, you have to write the relational algebra expression for each of these. Okay, write your relational algebra expression here. It's very easy, I guess. Okay, select ID first name from student details, where first name in, select first name from, it's a nested query. If you remember, it's same like our chapter example. Okay, so you can get an idea from there, and you can write the relational algebra expression here for this one here and for this one here. Any questions about that? I think it's pretty clear and very easy. Any question about this? Okay. And if you will notice, these all assignments are practice for your final exam as well. Okay. If you will do it by yourself, that's mean you will have a good practice for your final exams. So please try to do it yourself. Don't copy from each other. If you will copy, I mean, problem is for you, because then you will not know how to do in the final exams. Question 2, related to the distributed databases. Yesterday we talked about the horizontal and vertical fragmentation. Okay, so here we have a table, customer table, and you have to do horizontal fragmentation on this table and vertical fragmentation on this table. So for horizontal fragmentation, I give you two conditions. Okay, one this and one this. So you will make me two tables. Okay, customer 1 and customer 2. Okay, here we have the relational algebra expression, and you have to follow this and divide this table according to this. So you will give me two tables here. Same for the vertical fragmentation. You have to give me two tables here, but you have to apply the vertical fragmentation yesterday like I did. Okay, so this is the complete table. First divide it into horizontal, two tables, and then divide it into vertical, two tables, according to these conditions. Okay, I'm giving you the condition here. So this is the, what is this? This is algebraic, what we call that, relational algebra. Okay, it's a relational algebraic expression, and this is customer 1, customer 2 mean customer 1 table, customer 2 table, customer 1 table, customer 2 table. Okay, any questions about this? So that's all for your lab assignment, and for all together these you have 10 marks. Okay, marks are written for every exercise. Any questions, girls? I think it's pretty clear and very easy. Yes. Okay, so that's all. I will upload that, okay, on the Blackboard, inshallah, maybe today or tomorrow, whenever I will get the time. For your quiz 2, quiz 2 on chapter 3 and chapter 2. This is your quiz 2, okay? It is from chapter 3, but one question is from component assess anomalies. Okay, so that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can. Now, when we will have the class, I think we will have next class on 5th of December, right? Isn't it? Yes, guys. We will have next class on 5th of December now. Yes, what happened, girls? Okay. So that's all from my side. I said that course is finished. And for the final exam, I will place the final review on the blackboard like I did for the midterm. Okay. I will write F on the slide, and that slide will be included for your final exam. So you can go through it during your vacations. And if there will be any questions, any confusions, that we will discuss in our class when we will come back after the vacations. Okay. And during all that time, you have to must finish your all assignments and quizzes, because after that I will close everything. Okay, so you have enough time for this lab assignment and all other assignments and quizzes, so please finish them. And if you have any questions about anything, you can ask me now. Any questions about anything? No questions? Okay, then good luck, and for your vacations, have a good vacations and study well. Okay, so inshallah, see you after the vacations. Bye.